Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. Just checked into the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. Gonna head downstairs and do a CVS run. You guys know that I either go to CVS or Walgreens every time I hit Vegas. One of the first things I do as soon as I empty my suitcases, I head down to a drugstore and fill those suitcases up with snacks and drinks and stuff for the week. So that's what I'm going to head on downstairs and do now. I believe it's a CVS right next door to the Flamingo here. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. The room looks really nice. There'll be a room tour of the Flamingo. If it hasn't been put up already, it will be put up shortly, so make sure you check that out. And I got lots to do this week, so this is one of the first things I need to do, so I'm going to take care of it right now. Come on along with me.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
So here it is. I took my basket, paid for everything, and then packed it all in this empty suitcase, which I'm going to bring back to my room. Pretty much everything for the week. I might have to get some more water. Speaking of water, you guys might be wondering what's in the case. So I'll list them in order of nutritional value. Number one being water. Water is very expensive in Las Vegas. You need to go to CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, one of those places to get your fair share of water, because if you buy it from the casino, it's going to cost you a fortune. Next on the nutritional list is peanut M&Ms. So you know where this nutritional list is going from here on. Peanut M&Ms is a priority for me, as well as adult beverages. After that, some snack stuff. Let's just say that, snack stuff. By the way, peanut M&Ms, peanuts are loaded with protein, so they're good for you, right? Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. By the way, I know the music is odd in this video, and I don't get a chance to play music like this often. I just thought it was fitting for this particular video, and this particular song is called Ticklish. I love it, and I'm glad I got the chance to play it here on this video. Either you like it or you hate it. Leave a comment below.
So I'm pretty happy with my CVS haul. I got a bunch of stuff for the week. Obviously I'm not going to be in my room eating snacks all week, but I got some chips and cookies and water and a couple adult beverages, and I also picked up something that I'm going to show you in a moment that I think was a really good idea. And I also picked up a luggage lock because I carry 2 pieces of luggage with me when I come to Vegas, and one of the locks broke. So I got a luggage lock as well at CVS. But let me show you what else I got. There is no coffee maker here at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, so I improvised and got myself a mug because I only have like a dozen Las Vegas mugs at home. But I bought this one because I plan on making some instant coffee. Now, obviously I don't need that much, but that's all they sold. I think the mug was like $5, and the coffee was closer to 10, and I'm probably going to end up throwing 3/4 of that bottle out before I go home, but it is what it is. But what I'm really happy about is I bought one of these immersive heaters. This only cost like $9, and the more I thought about it, there's a lot of places in Atlantic City that doesn't have coffee makers, and I'm not a coffee snob, but I do love fresh ground, fresh pot of coffee. But when push comes to shove in the morning and I have a choice of having instant or getting dressed and going down to some fancy schmancy coffee shop and bringing it back up to the room, I'll go with the instant, at least for my first cup, and that's what I plan on doing. So that's my haul from CVS. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and lots more to come from Las Vegas. Stay tuned to the New York channel, and thanks for watching as always.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.